Hey everybody, Facebook and everybody. It is a little after 1:30 in the morning, and this is Monday morning. There's our snow over here where number 2 is. That's Roanoke, of course. It's coming towards us. But you know how nighttime's supposed to be night, and you're not supposed to be able to see anything but maybe street lights, stuff like that. Well, nighttime's not always night. So this is 1:30 in the morning. Get over here and let me get a stance. Well, that's 1:30 in the morning. You can see everything out there. Okay, except for the bank, Wells Fargo bank building. It's supposed to be over here, right above my finger. You can't see that because the snow has blanketed it out. But that's supposed to be nighttime. You're not supposed to be able to see any of that but those lights. So I'm going to bring you to the front of the house. Get through here. I got a mess in here. There's my little, you can barely see my fireplace. It's so dark in here. Okay, electric fireplace. Who'd thought? Okay, here's the front window. Okay, how light is that outside? Okay. Alright, let's go through here. Bedroom, dark. Now these windows are dirty as hell, but it's supposed to be pitch dark out there. I can't even say the words. I'm not supposed to be able to see those houses. All that light's reflecting off the clouds, okay? And yes, that's snow outside. And it's snowing pretty hard. Let's go to the side window. Alright, look at how light it is outside. You almost like detail, okay? I think this is as clean as windows we got right here. Excuse me. But, it's wild. Yeah, it's snowing like hell. 1:30 in the morning. Alright. Hope y'all have fun. I got 3 minutes into this thing. I can go all the way up to 20 minutes on this. That's how much time YouTube has let me put up, so but I'm gonna put this up on Facebook. I might put it on YouTube too, but here we go. Go back in here. Hey Mom, thank you for the oven. Got my donuts on top. Okay. Alright. I guess I ain't going to bed anytime soon, so I'm not really worried about it. I ain't going nowhere no time soon either. Let me see if I can bring this in. See what, let's get the weather back up here. Forecast, today's forecast. And go over here to the storm warning. See what they got. Alright. Winter storm warning remains in effect until noon Tuesday. Okay. Damn, Tuesday. Accumulations 5 to 10 inches. Okay. Well, I guess I'm going to go out there and get the damn snow shovel out again. Should have done that before it started. Okay. See y'all later.